Hi guys, David here from Opace. I'm just going to give a quick demonstration of a new Google Chrome extension that we've developed called the Essential SEO Toolkit. To install the extension, first of all you'll need to go to the Google Chrome Web Store, and by doing a search for SEO Toolkit you should see the extension in the search results. Process is straightforward. Click Add to Chrome, Add Extension, and then once you've done that you'll see the icon appear in the toolbar. So for the purpose of this demonstration I'm going to show using the tool using our own website, and what you'll see when clicking the icon is a pop-up box which appears with several different classifications of tools that we use internally and find useful on a daily basis. So you'll see SEO and Traffic Analysis, Speed and Performance, Website and SEO Reporting, Backlink Analysis, and finally Social Signals. So the first one that I'll show is Google PageSpeed Insights, and by clicking the option there you'll notice that the tool is automatically loaded. Our website address has been passed to the tool, and we just need to wait a couple of moments while Google analyses the website, and hopefully any second now we should see the data. And there we go, you can see the mobile data. We go to desktop and we can see the desktop data within the Google PageSpeed tool. So if we wanted to look at another tool, let's say SEMRush is a good example of one we use daily, but this requires a subscription. So we've already logged into SEMRush, which means we can automatically go to the tool, see our domain name, and then the various data that the tool provides. You'll notice with some of the options, however, that the domain name can't be passed. So a good example of that would be Ahrefs, in which case we've built in this copy URL option, and when you click that you see a message which says copy to clipboard. We then go to Ahrefs, manually paste in the address, click search, and the tool works in exactly the same way as all of the others, but just with that small manual step during the process. I won't go into detail with regards to every single tool included here, but hopefully the tool will be self-explanatory and you'll find it useful. We are planning to make additions to future releases, so if you have any suggestions regarding the tool, please feel free to get in touch and let us know.